How to activate Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the Office package, all for free. Anytime you go to Microsoft Word, it tells you to enter your product key. Don't worry, just click on Windows plus X and then select A. Here, to select the PowerShell command, you have to select yes. Type in this command. I will paste it under the comment section. Click on enter. Here, give it a time to load and you can see the Microsoft activation script will open. Select 2 here since we want to activate Microsoft Office. Please make sure your machine has a strong internet connection. Then here we select 1. After you've selected 1, give it time to load. Okay, give it time, okay, to load, and then after that you can see that your Microsoft Office is activated permanent. After it tells you that Microsoft Office is activated, now you can go to Word and then when you search Word and you click on it, you can see that it is no more asking you to enter a product key before you can use it. Okay, everything you can do, everything that you want to do. Okay, click on accept.